Hello everyone and welcome to your assignment for this week. I've chosen to do a video to explain this assignment so that everyone really understands what I'm asking you to do this week. Okay, now that you have had some practice identifying variables and writing hypotheses, you will design your own experiment. You will not be asked to actually complete this experiment. So what this means is you can choose to maybe design an experiment that would test the effect of two different types of fuel on how far a jet engine can fly. Now that one you're going to have a pretty hard time testing at home and actually completing the experiment. But you could also choose, for example, to design an experiment that tests the effect of the temperature of the water on the diffusion of a drop of food coloring in a bowl. And that one you could totally do at home. So it's completely up to you, and there's going to be lots of opportunity in this assignment to choose how much work you do in terms of the scientific method. So I'm going to show you guys what you have to do, what I encourage you to do, and what you can choose to do if you want a challenge. So here are the things you need to do. You will be asked to identify a question, and I gave you a few examples here. I can tell you that this part is probably going to be the most difficult. I encourage you to kind of take a second, step away from your computer, walk around your house, maybe in your backyard, and see, can I think of a question that I might have that I can design an experiment around? Then you're going to complete research using credible, so trustworthy websites. And you're going to give me the websites, like put your mini bibliography in the section. And the research does not have to be extensive. It just has to be enough for you to use your research later to back up, to write your hypothesis. So then you're also going to be asked to identify your variables. So really what you need to do is from red to green. I encourage you, highly encourage you, to take the time to develop your skills in creating a list of materials and writing a detailed procedure within which you consider safety. That being said, I know you guys have a lot of other things to work on this week, so if you're feeling overwhelmed, you do not need to do these two steps. Please know that I'm here to help you. You can email me with your idea, so even if you have, the only thing you've done so far is identify your question, you can still email me with that idea and I'll give you feedback. You also have a complete example in your notes of salt and growth of a plant. There are also in this document structured pages that follow that will help you organize your work. You can also talk to a friend or a family member. So you still have lots of really great resources to support you for this assignment. And you will not be receiving a grade for this assignment, but I will provide feedback on your document. So I'll write you guys some comments. So here are the I can statements that connect to this activity. I encourage you to pause the video and read over them. These I can statements are in relation to scientific skills, and scientific skills will come back every single science class from now until you graduate high school. And if you choose to go to university, they will also come back in any science class that you take. And if you are looking for an extra challenge, you can read over this section to get a little bit more direction. The one thing that I will ask is, whatever your experiment is, please ask a trusted adult, including myself, I would love to help, to review your safety procedures. So the parts of your procedure that relate to safety. We want to make sure that no matter what experiment you've chosen, that you're staying safe. Each one of you will have a copy of this document, and so you can just write your answers in and then submit it. So if you have any questions, send me an email, or you can ask me during our office hours. They are Tuesday from 11 until noon. Okay, thanks guys, take care.